Here's an easy way you can make a composter using 2 5-gallon buckets. I'll show you how to make one and the results of using the compost tea it generates on the plants in this garden.
GreensandMachines.com.
To assemble this composter, you'll need 2 5-gallon buckets. I'm using these empty kitty litter containers, a lid, and a drill. You'll want to drill a bunch of small holes in the bottom of one of the buckets. And then you'll stack that bucket on top of the other. And that's it. You're now ready to fill the composter with organic matter. You should only place plant-based or inert matter in the composter. Good items to put inside include leaves, grass, banana peels, coffee grounds, apple cores, etc., etc. You should not put items such as old meat or whole eggs inside the composter, as it will cause the whole thing to smell bad. Eggshells are okay to place inside, but wash them out before putting them inside the top bucket. As the material inside the top bucket decomposes, it will cause liquid to drain through the holes into the bottom bucket. This liquid is the compost tea. Every few days, you should take this liquid, dilute it with some water, and water the plants in your garden with it. To show you how effective this compost tea is, here is a kale plant in the garden that has received some regular treatments of the stuff. Look at how big it grew. Wow! Those big leaves made some delicious kale chips. Eventually, the matter inside decomposes. You can empty out the contents of the bucket to mix into your soil. This versatile composter not only will cut down your food waste, but it will also help your garden plants grow big.